Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation Exercise 5.2 first sum. The question is find the modulus and the arguments. So we need to find the modulus and the arguments of each complex numbers. In the first sum it's given as z is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3. So they have given complex number to be minus 1 minus I root 3. Here we need to find the modulus. I have given an introduction video, the formula, just have a look. Here modulus z is equal to root of a square plus b square. A square will be your minus 1, the real part, and b square will be your imaginary part. So just substitute the value, square it, minus with the sign you need to substitute. Here root of 1 square will become 1 plus here root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So this becomes root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So they have asked for z modulus. Z modulus is 2. So we have found the modulus. We need to find the argument. For argument, tan theta equal to modulus b by a. Here for a and b we need to go with the question. This will be your a is equal to minus 1 we know, b is equal to minus root 3. Substitute the value inside. This becomes minus root 3 by minus 1 in modulus. Minus minus get cancelled, so it becomes root 3. Modulus will become root 3 because of positive sign. Now tan theta equal to root 3. For root 3 we can take root theta to be tan theta equal to, instead of root 3 we can write tan pi by 3 because it is 60 degree. We know that pi is 180 degree, so 180 divided by 3 will be 60 degree. Instead of root 3 we can write the value to be tan pi by 3. Taking only the degree, we know that theta equal to pi by 3. So we have found the theta value to be pi by 3. Now we'll go with the question. In the question we see both the real part and the imaginary part, the symbol is negative. If the symbol is negative, it lies in, both are negative. If both are negative, we know that it lies in the third quadrant. This is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, here plus minus. Remember this in the first quadrant, this we have learnt in 7th standard. Here positive positive, so plus plus, here negative positive, so minus plus, here both are negative, so minus minus, here x axis is positive and y axis is negative, so plus minus. So therefore we need to write that the points lie in third quadrant. Of Argand plane, as write the reason also, real and imaginary part are negative. So both are negative, it lies in the third quadrant, and also we need to write the arguments. So z is nothing but in the third quadrant we know of. Here it is theta, here it will be minus theta. In the second quadrant it is pi minus theta. In the third quadrant just the negative symbol pi minus theta. So here it becomes minus of pi minus theta. We know that my theta value is pi by 3. Substitute it here, minus pi by 3. If we solve this, this becomes 3. We need to take LCM. If that is 1, just multiply it. So 3 pi minus 1 pi will become 2 pi by 3. So argument z is equal to, argument of the given complex number is equal to minus 2 pi by 3. That's all with the sum. Thank you.